Hey guys, today I've got a matching Amana washer and electric dryer set. And right now I've got it filled up, going on a regular cycle. You can actually control the water level on this. So I've got it set to large or the most water amount, just a warm, cold amount of the temperature. Pretty heavy load in there, jeans, towels, jackets, that kind of thing. But you can see full water submersion. It's doing a great job getting started there with the agitation. Everything's nice and clean. Typically this would be locked, the lid would be locked down, but I've got an extra little lid switch mechanism that I use there to bypass that, just so I can show you what's going on as if you were standing here yourself checking it out. You get to see everything's working perfect. So I'll let it go ahead and move through the cycle. I'll show you that it drains the water out like it's supposed to, and then has a nice, fast, smooth final spin cycle. And when it's all done, we'll switch over to the dryer and I'll show you that the dryer's working perfectly. Okay, we're moving now to the wash cycle. It's draining that water out right now. It's draining nice and fast out the drain there. Next, it'll fill up with clean, fresh water for the rinse cycle. And then we'll be on to the final spin cycle. All right, and we are back on the final spin cycle. So it's spinning nice and fast. Nice smooth operation. Sounds great. It's got the drain running also. Max extracting the water from those clothes, which is great. Help cut your drying time in half with these faster spins. And it'll do this 3 times. So it'll actually stop 3 times, which is also helpful for getting as much water as possible out of those clothes. So that's gonna be it on the washer. We'll let this finish up and move over to the dryer. All right, now we've got those clothes from the washer over there moved here to the dryer. We've got it running on time dry, high heat, and essentially just turn it on whatever setting you want here. Well, you've got automatic with your high heat, you've got automatic with your low heat for your delicates or extreme delicates. Very delicate items you could do air dry with no heat, but I just kind of like the time dry high heat, especially when I'm showing off that it's heating and everything. So give it just a sec to get back up and running there. I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. Right between those 2 red dots, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement. So it's about 71 degrees on top of the dryer. If I shine it on the ground here, it's considerably colder down there. So we'll go ahead and open this up. See, everything's tumbling there like it's supposed to. So right inside the heating element tube, plenty of heat coming out of that tube there. That in turn is gonna heat the inside of your dryer up anywhere from 95 all the way up to 195. That's just gonna depend on how long it's been running and what you have the heat setting at up top here. So, okay, there you go. So I'll go ahead and let that one finish up. We'll go ahead and get these listed up for sale. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out. Thanks guys, have a great day.